Everyone, my name is Vishal. I am 14 years old. Living Swaichek Village, Preacher Commune, Kapong Tabai District, Prabang Province. My topic is my daily routine. I start my day 6 a.m. I wake up, brush my teeth, and freshen up by 6:30 a.m. I do some light exercise or yoga to stay healthy. Around 7 a.m. I take a shower and get ready for the day. At 7:30 a.m. I eat my breakfast and prepare for school. I leave for school by 6 a.m. and my classes until the afternoon at 1:30 p.m. and 3 p.m. I start doing my homework and study. At 5 p.m. I go outside to play with my friend for a walk. At 6 p.m. I return home, freshen up by 7 p.m. and my family and have dinner together, go by teacher and friend.